Hi everyone, in front of me is a NOKIA G10 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, so let's do it, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to find the build number, which is at the very bottom, and all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. So let's go back and we have to enter the system. Now let's tap on Advanced, and here we've got the developer options unlocked, so let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got plenty of advanced options which we can customize. So for example, we can disable HV overlays, we can change the window animation scale, show surface updates, here we've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth, and so on and so on. So as I said, quite a lot of options to customize. So in order to turn on the feature, all you have to do is to simply tap on it, and as you can see it is immediately activated and applied. Obviously you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher. If you can see the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, if you'd like to turn them off, just tap on this switcher at the very top. And as you can see, most of the options are inactive. And after getting back, you can see that the developer options simply disappear. Of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your NOKIA G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.